Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the listening bank patch. So we use this in week 8, and what's really interesting is we started with something kind of entirely different, and I think that I've made something a little bit better in a sense. So originally in the patcher, as you can see, and I'm messing with it up on my monitor, and of course you guys can see it in the video. Hope that helps. But what we've got going on is originally we had this V-line tilde and we had a noise tilde, and that noise tilde just creates white noise and generates noise, right? But this phaser actually gives it pitch. And so with that, I just randomly selected numbers. I, out of no cause or reason, just was like, oh, I'll do that there and this there, whatever. And it might not be truly random. Let's not get into that. But regardless, I chose these pitches, just picked 8 of them, and I had the idea of, well, what do these sound like? And to me, they sounded like taxi horns. Now, to preface, one of my favorite pieces of, all time is An American in Paris by George Gershwin. It's super cool, super fun, just super interesting. When I was in high school, I put the timpani part. But what's interesting about the percussion part is there is a part that's written for taxi horns. And that's a really strange instrumentation. You don't really see that very often anymore. But it kind of made me think of that. And so I had this idea to make this, composition based on car horns. Why not? Electronic car horns, whatever floats your boat, I guess. So here's me going through that. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I know that I really like this, and I'm really glad to share it with you. Here goes nothing. hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much.